Hello students, welcome to the class. Our subject is Nursing Foundation and today's topic is Nursing Diagnosis. As you all know, before that I would just like to remind you that we learned about nursing process. It's a way that systematically organize nursing care, what we are providing to a patient. In that we had a 5 steps. One is assessment, second is nursing diagnosis, intervention, implementation and evaluation. And today we are going to discuss about that second step, nursing diagnosis. Now before that, what do you mean by diagnosis? We are assessing a patient complaint, a problems, then framing a statement on that. That is called diagnosis. Now in diagnosis, again there are two types of diagnosis. There are two types of diagnosis. One is nursing diagnosis, one is a medical diagnosis. The two type of diagnosis is medical diagnosis, nursing diagnosis. Now, what do you mean by medical diagnosis? Now, medical diagnosis is completely framed based on the complaints, signs and symptoms what patient exhibits depending on the disease conditions. What are the symptoms patient is expressing? Now, here this will be done by the doctors. Now, medical diagnosis which also help you to find the diagnosis based on the diagnostic evaluations, lab examinations, lab test reports, or any kind of investigations what we did. Based on that we are making a diagnosis. In a medical diagnosis we are writing the statements based on the medical statements. Here we are framing a statement based on the medical statement. So this is called medical diagnosis. The next one is nursing diagnosis. Now nursing diagnosis, it is the statement. Here nursing diagnosis is a clinical judgment about individuals, family, community response towards the health or health problem or potential risk or wellness. So here we can check what's the condition of individual, their health need, health problems of family, community. Then we are framing a diagnosis. Now nursing diagnosis purely based on the features, clinical features, what patient is exhibiting, what he is expressing with us, what he is sharing with us. Now based on the patient problem we are giving a priority to the problems, then we are framing a nursing diagnosis. Whenever we write the nursing diagnosis, we are following Nanda statement, Nanda format of writing a nursing diagnosis. Now this nursing diagnosis we are giving a priority ABC, airway, breathing and circulation. Now nursing diagnosis is a way that we are able to assess the patient and select their complaints based on the priority, and we are checking whether it is based on the patient present problem, future risk, or they may develop vulnerable risk or something like that we are assessing. Then we are framing this statement. So this is called nursing diagnosis. Now what are the different types steps in writing or formulating a nursing diagnosis? Now here mainly we can see actual nursing diagnosis, risk nursing diagnosis and wellness nursing diagnosis. Now actual nursing diagnosis, here a patient is describing a human response towards the health conditions in this life process. Actually what they describe, so what they experience, that is explained. Now risk nursing diagnosis, now here human, they'll express the potentiality of developing certain risks, some vulnerable groups they may develop, that the chances are there. Now for example, if you are very low socioeconomic status, you're not able to afford for the good qualitative food, you're not able to meet the nutrition requirement, you may develop what is that, protein energy malnutrition, you may develop nutritional disorders. See, a future risk assessment diagnosis, risk nursing diagnosis. Then last one was wellness nursing diagnosis. This describes the human response to level of wellness. It is a level of wellness is described based on individual, family or community. Based on individual, family, community, we are able to describe their level of wellness. So this is explained in this wellness nursing diagnosis. So mainly we are writing about diagnosis. The two type of diagnosis is medical diagnosis and nursing diagnosis. In nursing diagnosis, we are able to formulate a types of diagnosis: actual nursing diagnosis, risk nursing diagnosis, and wellness nursing diagnosis. So even if you get a question on nursing process, you're writing a second steps, definitely you can write all these points to elaborate your answer. So I hope you understood. Before we are identifying, you're finalizing the nursing diagnosis of your patient, we need to have a detailed idea about their patient problem and their health needs. Based on that only, we are able to make this diagnosis. So definitely you can elaborate your answer in the second steps by writing all these points. If you are able to write, then definitely it will be easy for you to score a good marks in your 10 marks questions. I hope you understood. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.